Hi, Dave Moore here from Groundscape Works in a snowy winter wonderland in North Wales. Snowed off on the job today, so picked these up the other day to give them a try from Scott from Tyler Tools. They are shove holes, post hole diggers. They're meant to slide up and then you slide them down. So I thought I'd give them a try, see what they're like. Anyway, let's try and dig a hole and I'll show you what happens. Cheers. Sort of 1.5 foot, could go a bit more, but you get the gist. I'll show you the hole now. So, not bad. Be nice to see what your comments are. Cheers now, bye.